Hello everybody, I'm going to take you to the how to do a course backup or the module backup. Whatever you have been teaching over a semester on the page, module page, might get lost when the server is washed off. When they clean the server, every information that is being uploaded on the VLE by the tutors would get washed up, meaning it will get cleaned up. So in order to restore, in order to store or backup, keep as a backup, then you need to do all the time backup so that will remain in the server throughout, even if there is washed up. So in order to do that, once more I'm taking to you to the how to do the backup. Although you have not yet started the course, but I'm taking to you to the backup because I have already done this, and then I can easily show the backup. Why I said the backup is so important, because the same module you might have to teach year up to over another years and years after years, because you may be given the same module. So you can just improve your BLE page of that particular module rather than every time creating new page. So it is always wise to have the old page and improve that page year by year so that it becomes always better and better. Right? And that's why backup is so important. Now in order to take you to the how to do a backup is, now you have to go to again to the gear icon menu, click there, go to backup, click gear icon menu, then go to backup. Then once you have clicked the backup, then it will appear like this. It will be automatically selected. So what you have to do is you have to go to next button. You keep on doing next. Okay, it will do a backup, so you don't have to worry about what is. It will all automatically select whatever things you have inside the page. Okay, and you can say next. Okay, and then it is almost ready for wanting to save it all informations in the backup folder. And this is why is it important is, anytime if your module is lost, then what you do is you can copy that particular informations from the folder and again restore. And that is one of the advantage. You don't have to worry about of losing informations. So what happens is it will be remain and stored in that particular folder. From that folder, and at any time you can restore it. So even if it is being lost, so you can then perform backup, and then this takes quite a number of time. I mean almost hours and half an hours, depending on the amount of information that you have in your VLE folders. Okay, so it's going with the backup. Okay, I think you need to it's okay. It's being successfully done. So now if you do it, you can continue, and it will tell you, do you want to bring it back and restore. See, this is the information that I have restored. Okay, I need to if I want to restore, this is the advanced biology, this is the one. So what you can do is, if you can download and keep it in your drive, at any time if you want to store these moments, these times page, it can be done. These can be downloaded and kept on a thumb drive and can be restored later. That file can be just drag and drop. So this is how you can restore. Just now I have kept here, so I'm not downloading. Okay, I'm just keeping it as it is. I'm going back to my module, and so what I did is, whatever information that I have here is being stored there. Okay, so this is one way where you need to store your informations in the server or in the backup, and that is very important when you lose your module, when you lose the informations, or you're working over and over on the same page. You can have a better and better, you cannot discard annually, so you can work on the same previous module or the page and continue to improve upon it. So that is just a brief how to back up your course and modules into the server. I hope this will help you. Thank you.